Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn Niuean words for items around the house. Cool, eh? Are you ready? Let's begin. Filisa means fridge. Filisa Fridge. Niuean means washing machine. Niuean washing machine. Mohanga means bed. Mohanga, bed. Duffy means broom. Duffy, broom. Niuean means cup. Niuean, cup. Niukai means plate. Niukai, plate. Laulau means table. Laulau Table. Telefoni means telephone. Telefoni, telephone. TV means television. TV, television. Umuhila means oven. Umuhila, oven. Taumenatui means cloves. Taumenatui, cloves. Taumenakai means food. Taumenakai, food. Faletose means toilet. Faletose, toilet. Tapu koukou means bath. Tapu koukou, bath. Mamoi means blanket. Mamoi, blanket. Tohi tapu means Bible. Tohi tapu, Bible. Tula means clock. Tula, clock. Well done, you did amazing. See you after lunch.